Today's video is about how to introduce a topic. A teacher should have a sound knowledge of introducing a topic. Studies have shown that the students' learning of new lesson highly depends on the way the lesson is introduced. The children won't find any interesting factor if you start your lesson with writing the name of the lesson on the board and start teaching. Children are curious by nature, so try to make them curious about the topic. Prepare the minds of the students to learn something new by asking motivational questions. Now, I am going to introduce a topic. The name of the lesson is The Very Big Parcel. It's a story. If you know the content, it will be easy for you to understand. And here it is. Once there lived a man and his wife. They had good friends and neighbors with whom they shared everything. One day, they received a big parcel. They were very excited. They expected for huge things, but they found only a small seed inside. The couple was disappointed. However, the man sowed the seed and watered it. Soon it grew into a big tree. The man and his wife were excited to see apples growing on the tree. The man picked the first apple and cut the fruit in half. He was shocked to find gold coins inside. Both of them were overjoyed. They thought that all the apples may not have gold coins, so the couple decided to spend just one coin and keep the rest in safe. When they found gold coins in all the apples, they were less careful with their money. They had a grand time spending money. All this while, they forgot to water the tree. They forgot about the good neighbors who had always supported them in times of trouble. One day, the man looked out into the garden and saw that the tree had withered. He rushed outside and threw bucket after bucket of water over the tree, but the tree did not grow. Next day, the couple found that the tree had disappeared. They completely neglected to take care of their garden. They had nothing to eat. They sold all the fine things they had bought. They felt sorry for the way they had treated their friends and neighbors. But their friends and neighbors gave them all they wanted to be happy. The couple realized that friendship is more valuable than any amount of gold coins. And that is how the story ends. It is clear from the story that the moral behind the story is that friendship is more valuable than money. During your preparation, you have to read the content and analyze it. You have to find out the central theme. What I mean is, here the title of the story is The Very Big Parcel. But the story is not about the parcel. The theme of the story is friendship. The students must know friendship is more valuable than money. They should not let their friends down at any time, at any cost. There are also some more values in this story. Saving for future and not to forget to do our duties and so on. Now we'll start. I'm going to connect the previous knowledge of the children by asking some questions. Good morning, children. How are you? Very good. Me? I'm so good. Thank you. How do you feel now? Happy? Why are you happy? Happy to learn new things? So sweet of you. I've got something to show you. Do you want to know what is it? Here it is. Yes, you're right. It's a new pen. I met my friend yesterday and she gifted me. Do you have friends? Oh, I'm glad to know that you have friends. Okay. Who is your best friend? No shouting. One at a time. Now Neha, you tell me, who is your best friend? Is it so? Riya is your best friend? Why do you like her? She plays with you? Good. Listen, children, Joe has something to say. Yes, Joe? Oh, Sam is your best friend. Why do you like him? He makes you happy? So good. Now, Akash, you tell me, who is your best friend? Okay. Why do you like Ajay? He helps you? Oh, he also shares his things with you. Very good. Could you please tell me more about how and when your friend helped you? Oh, he shared his book with you when he forgot to bring a book. He helped you when you were in need. Very good. Dear children, our friends help us when we are in need, like how Ajay helped Akash when he was in need. Do you agree, children? Now tell me, children, do you have the habit of saving money? Oh, really? I'm so glad to know that you save money. How do you save, children? Do you save a large amount at a time or little by little? Yes, very good. You save little by little and it becomes a larger amount. Now, you're going to learn a story of how a small seed gave a large amount of money to a couple. And also, how they carelessly spent their money and suffered, and how their friends helped them when they were in need, as your friends help you when you are in need. Your friends help you when you are in need, right? Yes. Are you ready? The title of the story is The Very Big Parcel. Now all of you open your book and turn to page number 12. Teachers differ from each other in the way they introduce a lesson. This is just an example. You can include your own ideas and add more interesting elements depending on the topic. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you.